This is kind of every norm has been violated. Two norms, advance payments are made and too much money has been paid where less money could have been paid. Now, Shailaja teacher, KK Shailaja has said that, I really did this because at that time there was intense shortage of kits and I needed to save lives. Professor Baby, do you agree with her explanation, sir?
No. We are not agreeing with what the former Honorable Minister KK Shailaja said about this scam, or this is one of the biggest scam ever which the Kerala met during the time of COVID. Yesterday, the previous day, Controller and Auditor General submitted a shocking report in the Legislative Assembly. The report was about the kind of corruption which the Pinarayi Vijayan government was doing during the time of COVID. You know that COVID was such a situation that people were dying and hundreds of people were died. I think the death rate from Kerala is highest in India. But the LDF government used that opportunity to doing corruption. And
interestingly, Professor Baby, let me sorry to interject you, sir, but the CAG has actually, contradicted KK Shailaja. She said, I placed the order, for 1550, whereas 550 should have been paid, she said, because there was a major shortage. Now, the CAG says, and please listen to this, sir, even before Shailaja placed an order for 15,000 kits with Sun Pharma, Anita Texcott had offered to supply kits at 550 per piece on March 28th itself. So, one doesn't understand that, first she says she hasn't read the report. Then, of course, she also said it was all done on the instruction of Pinarayi Vijayan. Then now she says that I did it because there was a shortage. What do you think is the real story, Professor Baby?
All the letters and documents are with us. We are moving to the court. I can say how the corruption was conducted.
Okay.
The government was ordered for the purchase of 25,000 PPE kits on 28th March 2020.
Right.
The government has ordered. Just one day before that, private firms from Kerala, they submitted a quotation that they will supply PPE kit for just 550 rupees. They have given letter to the government. We are
That's
ready
right.
at any time. When the government wishes, at any time the government wishes, we are ready to give the kind of quantity, 25,000 of PPE kit, we are ready to supply by the rate of 550 rupees. But the government deliberately ignored.
No, that's what I want to, sir, Professor, sir, I want to understand. The most expensive PPE kits came from Sun Pharma and Innov Quotient Limited. Both of them, the orders was placed with both these companies for 15,000 units at 1,550 rupees. This was Sun Pharma was placed on 30th of March, sir, and 6th April was Innov. Why do you think these two companies were favored, sir?
Yeah, I wanted to tell you one more thing is that the other firms, other than Sun Pharma, they promised the government that they will supply the entire quantity within 10 days. But this Sun Pharma has taken 2 months for supplying this quantity of PPE kits. And all this shows that, all this material evidence shows that there was a kind of conspiracy between the CPM government and the Sun Pharma for doing corruption.
So, are you moving the court, sir? Are you moving the court, sir, Professor, sir?
Definitely, because all the copies are with us. The letters which are submitted by this Anita Textile, that is a private firm. All the letters they have submitted to the government.